You're probably using only a small part of what ChatGPT can actually do. Here are 5 powerful ChatGPT features that can save you hours every week. First, use deep research when a normal answer isn't enough. Suppose you want to compare the best AI note-taking tools for a small team. Open deep research and ask ChatGPT to compare their features, pricing, privacy, and user feedback with links to every source. ChatGPT can build a research plan, search across multiple sources, and organize the findings into a documented report. Instead of opening 20 tabs and taking notes yourself, you get a strong starting point in minutes. Just verify anything important before making a decision. Second, use projects to keep long-term work organized. Imagine you're running a YouTube channel. Create a project for that channel, upload your brand guide, scripts, and reference files, then add instructions for the tone and audience. Every chat inside the project can use the same project context, so your work stays consistent and you don't have to repeat the background each time. You can keep research, ideas, drafts, and revisions together instead of searching through unrelated conversations. Third, use writing blocks when a draft needs real editing, not another long chat reply. Ask ChatGPT to turn your notes into an editable document. The response appears in a separate writing block where you can edit the text directly, copy or download it, open it full screen, and ask ChatGPT to revise selected text or the whole draft. This keeps writing and revisions organized inside the conversation without moving back and forth between apps. Fourth, turn on study mode when you want to understand a topic, not simply collect an answer. Open a new chat, choose study and learn, then tell ChatGPT what you're learning and your current level. It can ask questions, explain ideas step by step, use simple examples, and check your understanding before moving on. You can also upload notes, worksheets, images, or PDFs, and ask it to teach directly from your materials. It feels more like a patient tutor than a standard chatbot. Finally, use scheduled tasks to make ChatGPT help you at the right time. You can create a one-time reminder, repeat something every day or week, or ask ChatGPT to monitor for an important change. For example, say, every weekday morning, send me a short briefing with the 5 most important AI news updates and source links. Once the task is created, you can review, edit, pause, or delete it from the scheduled page. This is an easy way to automate useful routines without setting them up again and again. These 5 features can turn ChatGPT from a simple question and answer tool into a practical assistant for research, organization, editing, learning, and recurring work. Try one of them today and see how much time it saves you. For more useful AI tricks, tools, and tips, subscribe to WebNudge.